Hi guys, this is a video from our channel Harvest Info. In this video, we will be seeing on how to share your phone screen to your laptop. For this, we need to install an app on both the devices. The name of the app is Let's View. To install this app, we need to go to this website. I have given the link in the description. You can select your operating system. It is available on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS and TV. A new installer will be downloading once you click on this button. If you open, it will be showing like this. You can look at the screen and do the same in your laptop. After the installation, you can open the app by clicking this. After that, we can open Play Store, or if you have an Apple phone, you can open the Apple App Store. We can type Let's View and download it. It looks like this in laptop and in phone. If you have the same Wi-Fi connected on both the devices, your laptop's name will be displayed on your phone. You can select it and click on phone screen mirroring. There is another feature which is displayed below, which I will explain later in this video. Your phone asks that if you want to share its screen, you can click on Start Now and your screen will be visible on the laptop. There is Annotation and Recording option here. You can annotate anywhere you want and there are a lot of colors. You can maximize and minimize the screen. We can cut this window and again we can click on our laptop's name. This time we can click on computer screen mirroring. Then your laptop asks if you want to share its screen. You can click on allow and it is as simple as that. All the features that we saw in the phone casting apply to this too, like the annotate and recording features. But this time when you annotate your screen to your phone, the same annotation appears on your laptop. This does not work in the phone casting. If you want to annotate your laptop screen without screen sharing, you can do it by downloading this app called Pencila. And you don't need to install this app on your phone. I will give the link of this website in the description box so that you can download this app. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this file. After the installation, the app will be on your laptop. You can open it and a small window will appear. You can use this window to annotate your screen. First, there is a text option. You can type whatever you want with it. You can even change the color. Then you have different shapes in different ways. You can investigate each and everything. Then we have some drawing and customized emojis like the arrow, tick and star. If you want to erase the whole thing, you can click on this dustbin icon. At last, to close the window, you can click on this cross button. So that is all for today guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.